And he did. He basically said that this is his sense of community, that people should be helping one another. He also added that many people don't know his background, but he grew up very, very poor. He hasn't forgotten about that. And he says that if indeed it's hard for him to go to the pump and fill up his gas tank, then he knows everyday working people have a difficult time. Reason being, he said he just had to do another gas giveaway. Because of a second Willie Wilson gas giveaway, more Chicago area drivers got another chance to fill up.
I definitely want to thank him because he didn't have to do this. He definitely didn't, but he did. And this is awesome.
But not without a little drama.
Cops down! Cops broke!
At a gas station in the city's Roseland neighborhood.
I done ran out of gas, Lord.
Oh my God. Are you out of gas?
I'm on dead empty. I can't even make it home.
Pumps at the Super Save at 111th and State simply stopped working, leaving hundreds of motorists almost stranded.
Some people here from 5 o'clock.
Yeah.
That's why I feel bad.
Yeah.
And a lot of people here no gas. I just give the lady $15 from my pocket.
Yeah.
To go across the street.
Although today's event was a lot more organized, there were still long lines of people hoping to get free gas. At a Cicero gas station, this woman ran out of gas while waiting to fill up. Police officers had to push her car to the pump.
Just ride around, beating the lines, and we ran out of gas.
The gas giveaway took place at nearly 50 gas stations in the city and suburbs. Wilson donated $1 million of his own money to cover $50 of fuel per vehicle. He visited the gas station in South Suburban Harvey, where he once lived, to ask politicians to help the public.
I encourage them to try to lower this gas tax.
Yes.
You know, to drop this price down. I encourage all the politicians to get together and try to work that out.
Yeah, he hopes they do that. And of course, some local politicians hearing what he's saying, they're not saying that there necessarily will be a gas tax-free day, but Mayor Lori Lightfoot says that she's going to be looking into, ask the AG to look into if there's any gas gouging, price gouging going on. She's been hearing about that. She says no evidence of it yet, but she's certainly going to look into it just to make sure that consumers are not being taken advantage of.
Hey, if you like that video, be sure to subscribe to our ABC7 Chicago YouTube channel.